Ever felt like you're making YouTube videos but it does not get enough audience to watch that video? It's really devastating. And even like sometimes they watch it but they are not subscribing to your channel, right? And due to all these things, you cannot qualify for YouTube Partners program, and eventually you can't make money out of it. All the effort are getting wasted. Well, worry no more, because in this video I'm going to tell you how you can get your first 1000 subscribers on YouTube. So let's get started. Well, if I have to tell you something, getting your first 1000 subscribers is not as hard as you think it is, because I have passed through that journey of trying to get first 1000 subscribers and being able to eligible for YouTube Partners program. And you know what, it's not as hard as we think, right? So it is because one of the researches that has been conducted shows that there are 75,000, yes, 75,000 YouTube channels which are above 1000 subscribers. You can imagine, you can be one of them. I mean, if 75,000 people can do that, why not you? It's really easy. But you must understand some of the techniques that they used, we used, and all of the people used to get their channels upwards from 1000 subscribers. And I'm going to give you some of the tips and techniques and some secrets of getting your first 1000 subscribers on your YouTube. And there is one top secret that I want to tell you at the end of this video, because it comes at the last, because I have made this in that order, that it will help you from beginning to advanced, right? So I will tell you one top strategy, secret, that most of the YouTube channels and channel holders and channel owners, content creators use to take their channels from 0 to 1000, 1000 to 10,000, and 10,000 to 100,000 subscribers and upwards, right? So let's get started. So the first strategy that I want to give you is knowing your audience. Oh, this is really crucial. Knowing your audience. Why is it crucial? Because I see most of the people making this kind of contents and all these YouTube videos for themselves actually. They are like me kind of thing, right? But no, you gotta create your content for your audience, for the person sitting behind the screen. Like I'm doing, I am creating this content for you, who is sitting behind the camera, who is sitting behind the screen, right? So that's why you have to understand who your audience is. Like normally we see beginning marketers, they say, okay, I already know this stuff, right? Well, that's the real enemy of yours. I already know this stuff. No, you don't know it. That's why you are not above 1000 subscribers, right? So you must understand how you can get to know your audience. How you can get to know your audience. You have to understand what they like, what they dislike, what are the things that they already are watching, right? What are their interests, what are the values that they share. How can you know this? By simply responding to the comments down below, creating your comments into conversation, right? Seeing the comments, seeing what the people already like, what are they disliking about, and you can just make changes on your topics and on your video contents according to what your viewers like. And that's how you increase your audience engagement, and that's how you increase the signals that YouTube will find that, okay, this video is good, this channel is good, to push out, give this video attraction, push out this channel to more people. And that's how YouTube gets more good signals, right? So you must know your audience well and create your content with the audience that you have. The second way of getting your first 1000 subscribers, and this is something that you have to commit for, and this is something that you have to really stick to, right? And that is creating content regularly. Like sometimes I say regularly and people take it otherwise, thinking that regularly means daily. No, regularly means, could be daily, it could be weekly, it could be monthly, it could be twice a month, it could be once in a 2 months, right? It could be anything, but regular content publishment is really crucial for YouTube to understand that you are active on the platform, that you are active to engage your audience, that you are a active person, real person working behind the YouTube channel, because that's what it is. One thing is YouTube, and second thing is your audience will also eventually forget if you don't upload more videos. If you continuously upload more videos and more videos, people will see that. Even if they don't watch that video, they will remember that, right? So Covid Panthi is there, okay, Covid Panthi remembered, right? It will just trigger that. In branding, we call it brand awareness, right? That's just the thing. Like, we don't want them to watch it. It's not necessary. We just want them to recognize us. Then later on, once it comes again and again and again, they have no other choice to click on that video and watch it till the end. So regular content publishment is so necessary. So create your content regularly. It can be daily, weekly, or whatever it is suitable for you. Third way of getting your first 1000 subscribers, and this is really crucial, and this is after the first two. You must know your audience first, then you must create your content regularly, then you must, and this is the second one, and that is optimize your videos. And you must optimize your videos, and that is the number third one. So what do I mean by optimizing a video? Optimizing basically means that creating it as relevant as possible, that YouTube finds it and says, okay, this video is relevant for this person, so I have to publish it, right? First optimization is for SEO. We call it search engine optimization, right? So first optimization is for SEO, right? Second optimization is for YouTube home. You see the YouTube home, right, where the recommended YouTube videos are coming. So you have to optimize your videos for that YouTube home, right? Recommended pages. Third one, optimization is for suggested video. You know, like you're watching this video, down or in the right hand side you can see all the videos popping up, right? You have to optimize for that. These are the sources that the most of the creators get the views from, like many times. Like for me, YouTube search is the most relevant one. Like I get a lot of views from YouTube search. For some it could be suggested videos, for some it could be YouTube home, for some it could be external sites like Google search or whatever, right? But you must optimize your video for search engine optimization, suggested video, YouTube home, so that YouTube knows, so that you are in a safe side and you can try to see, okay, which works for her, and then multiply. And I will make a separate videos for all these optimization parts, like optimizing for SEO, optimizing for YouTube home, optimizing for suggested videos. So click that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so that you will get notified next time I publish that video. So the fourth tip that I want to give you is, this is really crucial. This is not just to get your first 1000 subscribers, but it is to create an audience that loves your content, that loves you, right? And this is to take from 0 to 100,000 and even to 1 million subscribers. And this is the fundamental that you have to follow, right? This is the foundation that I'm giving. First milestone would be 1000 subscribers. Next milestone, 10,000. You can go on and on, but this works for every stages because this is providing adequate value. Well, this is really important. This is more important than having a cup of coffee in the morning. Really, it's really important. Because you must, if you don't provide enough value to your audience, why would they even bother subscribing to your channel? Why would they? I mean, you're not providing any value. I'm providing you value, that's why you will click that subscribe button, right? You did that, right? If you haven't, go and subscribe right now, okay? So you must provide adequate value to your audience, right? Why? Because your audience is in your video to get something out of it, right? If they didn't want to get something out of it, they would not click your video in the first place, right? If they clicked, that means to me that they are searching for something. So if you can tap into their mind and tap into their problem and solve that problem, you will get a lot of subscribers. I'm guaranteeing the subscriber count that will rise up, like it will just exponentially rise up, right? For me, once the day I started committing to myself, vowing myself that I will provide a good value to my audience, the rest is history. The fifth way of getting your first 1000 subscribers, and this is CTA. As simple as it sounds, as important as it is. So let me tell you what CTA is. CTA is an acronym for call to action. Well, what is call to action? If you are not in marketing yet, most of you might know it, but some of you might not know it. So let me tell you, for those who are not aware of CTA, CTA is something, the word itself says it, call to action. Calling some people, calling you to take some action, right? It can be subscribing, it can be commenting, it can be liking your video, it can be sharing your video, whatever it is, right? Crafting a good, compelling call to action is really crucial for you to grow more. The minute I think about the problem of less subscribers, just know it, the CTA is not good. Because let's see, what is subscribing? Subscribing is an after effect of your value creation, right? So just take it like that. Like you have your value right there, you are providing your value through your videos, and they're not subscribing. Why? Because you are not calling them to subscribe to your video, right? And why would they? I mean, people forget most of the things, right? We only remember what we are again and again talked about, again and again, like what we are talked about. So that's why CTA is really crucial. It can be subscribing, it can be anything, right? It can be anything, but creating a compelling CTA is so important, and that's what most of the great YouTubers do. They create a so creative CTA that everybody likes, enjoys, and just clicks, right? I mean, they act, right? Just let me give an example. I recently said you, just previously, I said, you have already subscribed, right? I mean, if you haven't subscribed yet, so go in. I mean, it is something in a funny way, right? It is something in a creative way. I mean, I could think for 1 hour long and get out of one small CTA, but I didn't do that. So anyways, I more focused on the content more. So that's why. So creating a CTA is so important. And I've been seeing most of the people putting their CTA in the first. I'll give an example. Hey guys, welcome to this video, and in this video I'm going to tell you about how you can get 1000 subscribers, and if you haven't subscribed yet, click that subscribe button and share this video to your friends and family. Ooh, this is devastating. Like, never do this in your YouTube channel. I have done this. I mean, you can go back to my YouTube channel and see my older videos. I have done this same mistake, which has caused me to lose many subscribers. And that's what happens to most of the starting people. I don't want you to do this. Don't start your video like this. Start off with the value that you are providing. Just start off with the value, and then the call to action can be last, or even after you provide certain value, you can put in CTA in between, somewhere in between, and also in the last. But mostly it works at the end because they have already got some value and they are committed. And you know, in the human nature, it's like that. Like, if we give something, they will return back, right? So it's good if the value is matched, they will return back with a subscribe or any action. So let's just revise once what we talked about. 5 tips of getting your first 1000 subscribers. First was knowing your audience. Second was creating your content regularly. Third one was optimizing your videos for search engine and all these things. Fourth was focusing on value creation more than the thing that you want. More value creation, what you can give to them, right? And fifth one was, that is the really crucial, that is CTA. If you love this kind of videos, informative videos that you can learn from, go to over here. I have lots of informative videos that you can learn from. You can watch it over here. I create content regularly. So, I mean, let's start to build our community from just here, from this moment. Hit that subscribe button and let's create this community of you and other people watching this video and me. So let's create this bond that I'm trying to create, and let's start to build community from here. And you can also implement this strategy to your YouTube channel, and more you can also share them to create more community. So we must build a community and we must learn with one another, right? There is a huge power in unity. So just click that subscribe button and I'll see you in the next one.